Exploring the amazing animals of the Amazon rainforest. Hi there, adventurers! Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Ready to swing into action? Today, we're heading to one of the most amazing places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is in South America, stretching across 9 countries. Brazil holds the largest share, but it also stretches into Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon is called the lungs of the earth because it produces a lot of the oxygen we breathe. But what makes it even cooler is the amazing animals that live there. Let's meet a few of them. First up, we've got the mischievous monkeys. Let's meet the capuchin monkey, the clever little troublemaker of the Amazon. These monkeys are like the rainforest's problem-solving geniuses. They've even been spotted using sticks as tools to catch insects. Now let's meet the woolly monkey, the rainforest's cuddly-looking acrobat. And over here, we've got the spider monkeys. They have super long arms, legs, and tails that act like an extra hand, perfect for swinging from tree to tree. And fun fact, they can leap up to 30 feet in one jump. Then there's the tiny pygmy marmoset, which is the size of your hand. And the howler monkey's loud roar can be heard 3 miles away. The Amazon rainforest is also home to colorful parrots, parakeets, and macaws. These colorful birds come in all sorts of vibrant colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. They're not just pretty to look at, they're also super smart. Macaws can mimic sounds and even learn a few words. Here comes the toucan, the rainforest's most colorful chatterbox. With their giant beaks that are almost as long as their bodies, toucans look like they jumped straight out of a cartoon. But those beaks aren't just for show. They use them to reach fruit on distant branches, and even to cool off when it gets hot. And here's something fun. Toucans are social birds, and you might see them tossing fruit back and forth like they're playing catch. Here we have the mighty jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. These big cats are incredible hunters. And here's the sloth, the ultimate lazy animal of the rainforest. They move so slowly that moss can grow on their fur. Next up, the poison dart frog. These little guys might be small, but they're packed with power. Their bright colors, like yellow, blue, and red, are nature's warning signs, saying, "Don't mess with me." Their skin contains toxins so strong that some indigenous people used it to tip their hunting darts. Now meet the anaconda, the heavyweight champion of the Amazon. These giant snakes can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh up to 550 pounds. And who could forget the butterflies? The Amazon is home to over 7,000 species of butterflies, from tiny ones to giant ones with wings as wide as a notebook. Some butterflies, like the beautiful blue morpho, shimmer like a living jewel when they fly. And here's a fun fact. Some butterflies even drink tears from animals like turtles to get important nutrients. That's what I call a rainforest beauty secret. Now let's dive into the Amazon River to meet the piranhas. These little fish may have a scary reputation, but they're not as ferocious as movies make them seem. Sure, they have razor-sharp teeth, but they mostly snack on plants, insects, and small fish. Also in the Amazon River, you will find the Amazon River dolphin, known as the pink dolphin. These playful creatures are known for their unique pink color. The Amazon is bursting with life, millions of species in fact. Some haven't even been discovered yet. The Amazon rainforest is full of wonders, from silly monkeys to slithering snakes, and of course, those colorful parrots and dazzling butterflies. Thanks for joining me on this rainforest adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun explorations. See you next time, adventurers!